Hey, it's OhioJimbo, and listen, I want to tell you, don't worry about a thing. Let everything go because it's a simple way of life. Now, I've got a lesson for you today. Not a performance. This is a lesson to show you 3 simple chords on a great song. And, well, 3 little chords is just like 3 little birds. Let's get into it. Don't worry about a thing. Everything's going to be all right, including playing around a campfire or playing party for some friends. And with 3 easy chords, this makes it even better. So if you start in an A and a D and then down to an E, those 3 chords are going to get you not worrying about a thing. So the rest of that comes down to pattern. A lot of people ask me about strumming pattern. And I want to tell you, there's no absolute strumming pattern. If you do that, that's all downstrokes. If you kind of, there's really no full stroke coming back up. You just sort of boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom. So you can see that kind of, and you hear it. Now reggae has that kind of a, so if you can find that, go ahead and do that. That's just a little bit of picking inside the strings here. But I like to show you just as simple as I can, and then you make it yours. You get out there and play that and let yourself find that kind of rhythm, that strumming pattern. So we're going to start in A, and it's really kind of cool. And again, I'm avoiding any kind of copyright issues. This is just a lesson. This is not a song performance in any way, shape, or form. However, I will try to play these chords in succession so you can jam along. So, start in the A. And it's really cool too because a lot of people want to start in A minors and such. And no, I'm going to keep you in the A major, the D, and the E. Chords right here. There they are. So, now, if we can get that going, so just stay in that A. Now, you can find your strumming pattern, like I mentioned. Think of it this way. That's where the lyrics start coming in to help you. That's it, don't worry. There you go, right there. About a thing. Go to D. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be all back to A. See? I said, don't worry. Do it again. Go to D. About a thing. You ready? 'Cause every little thing. Yeah. Now it comes into kind of the main chorus. Woke up this morning. Get ready, you're going to go to E now. With the rising sun. What was out there? 3 little birds on my doorstep. We're in D, see? Singing a sweet, sweet song. A melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. That's as easy as it gets. Now, that A, the D, and the E are a common chord progression, but in this particular song, it uses the A and the D back and forth, A and D back and forth, and then on that lyrics portion, woke up this morning with the rising sun. 3 little birds on my doorstep, singing sweet, sweet songs, a melody pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. And if you notice, it kind of goes to that A, E, back to A, then D, then A, then to E, and then it goes all the way up to D. Tap, 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 you. All right, there it is. That is the simplest one. You can stop right here, just kind of pause that, get back and get into that A and that D and that E and find out exactly where you need to be, because don't worry, everything's going to be all right. But now we'll do a quick jamming with Jimbo so we can kind of see if we can get this all the way through, start to finish, and we'll do a quick kind of a play through the lyrics and the chorus, but the chorus keeps repeating itself. Cool thing about this song, You don't have to worry about it ending because you can keep playing it as long as people will sing with it. Because the lyrics and the chorus just repeat themselves. That's why Bob Marley did this in such a cool way. So, we're gonna stay away from the lyrics. About a thing. A simple lesson for a great song. What a mental song to play because it keeps you in the mode. Don't worry about a thing. This is a cool Campfire song, and it's a great one. Thank you, Bob Marley, for bringing that to us. And, well, get out there and play it and watch what happens to everybody because people start singing along, and it's a Yaman song. Everybody wants to do that. Get out the rum and have a little bit of time, fun time when you're out there singing and playing this. I hope to see you out there playing at the Campfire, and I really want to kind of hear some comments below. Let me know what song it is you want simplified, and let's go out there and have some fun doing this. Grab your guitar, get out there and play for one person, play for 10 people, play for 100 people. Just enjoy it. Make it your time. Have fun with just those 3 chords. Stay in those first 3 frets. That's all that matters when you're out there at a campfire, bonfire, party, backyard, wherever you are. So keep it simple, have fun, and listen, this is OhioJimbo. And if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.